Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I made these amazing yam balls, please just keep watching from the beginning till the end and you will love it. So to start with, of course, you're using yams. I prefer cutting my yam cubes very small so that it can boil well and boil fast and soft. So make sure it's soft. And when it is soft enough, you're going to pound it just the way you pound your yam pottage or your yam porridge. Pound it very well till you get a smooth consistency. I like using new yam for this, but either way, any yam you have, not the very dry one, should be okay for you. So next, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Anyone you prefer basically is totally fine. And then I'm going to be adding some sardine oil to this right now. It's totally optional. I know not everybody likes sardines. And I'm adding some onions, some cayenne pepper or any other kind of pepper you like using. And I am going to be adding some black pepper as well. It's not too spicy, but at least just to give it that taste that we need. Of course, I love garlic and I am going to be adding some garlic powder. You can use ginger powder too if you wish, just a little bit so that you don't go overboard. And I'm adding just 2 egg yolks, guys, not with the egg whites. Some salt to taste and some seasoning cubes, 2 seasoning cubes. It depends on your taste, but try not to make it too much. So I'm going in now with my sardine fish. Like I said, it's totally optional. It depends on you. And you want to mix this very well. The eggs, the spices, the pepper, making sure that one is not just concentrated in one region. You have to make sure that you make everything homogeneous, very smooth and well blended so that it gets into every bit and piece of this yam balls we are going to be making. So I've like mixed it now. I can see that it's like sticking together. The egg yolks make it like so if you see from here, you can see that it is smooth. And from now on, I'm going to be rolling it into the bowls because yeah, they are yam balls, of course. So just grab a piece at a time, little by little, like you're trying to do like little buns, that kind of like consistency and like quantity. So I'm just molding it properly. Mold it as much as you can. When you shape it into the balls, just use your hands to mold it well. I'm using my 2 hands now, and of course with very washed hands, like the way I'm doing it. You need to wash your hands to do this. So the next thing you want to do is to roll it into some flour, your normal flour. The flour you use for baking is totally fine. You can use any kind of flour, wheat flour, any flour you use basically. Next, I'm going to put it into some egg whites and finally breadcrumbs. I'm just going to repeat this so that you can see how it's going to be done. So for all your balls, you have to roll it in flour first, then egg whites to coat it, and finally breadcrumbs to stick together. And then you want to make sure that everything you've done is even like this. And this is some of the yam balls I have made, ready to go into the hot oil. And finally, it's going to be fried on medium heat, deep fried, please. You have to make sure that you're frying it in a deep pan or a pot if you wish. So just make sure it's deep fried. So you're going to fry it for about 5 minutes while making sure that one side of it is like brown before you start tossing it. Flip the sides continuously. I like doing this every now and then, back and forth. When I'm sure one side has fried well and is brown on one side, I go back, I flip it with my fork or anything you want to use. Just make sure that everywhere is well fried. The total frying time should be about 10 to 12 minutes before you like kind of take it and transfer it into a paper towel to absorb all the excess and extra oil. So this is just basically your yam balls are ready. Very simple, right? Hope you're going to try it. I don't like yam, but yam balls, oh my goodness, that's the best way I can take yam. Either yam balls or pounded yam. It's a very good snack if you don't want to use a lot of flour. If you want to switch for buns or egg rolls or any other thing like that, yam balls are perfect. It's great to serve as a snack. It's okay for your meal as well. Just enjoy it with your favorite drink, water, juice, tea, anything that you like. And yes, this is my video for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Kindly thumbs up and share, and I'll see you subsequently. Bye.